Here's how to check if your phone supports UWB or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your mobile phone. After going to the settings of your mobile phone, navigate yourself to the general options. On the general options, click on the about options. Once you're already on the About options, you will see there if your phone is actually supporting UWB. But what you need to do is just go ahead and see what model of iPhone that you have or phone that you have, and you will see there what are the compatibility list of UWB. And as you can see, iPhone 13 is actually compatible with UWB, such as 13 mini, 13, 13 Pro, or 13 Pro Max. Now, for you to be able to see or to check if your phone supports UWB on an Android phone, what you need to do is just do the same, search it on Google, and then as you can see, if you're using an Android, you can just go ahead and enable the ultra wideband or enable it if you want to support it.